So fuel funding enabled me to create 40 spoken word videos based around positivity and growth. So we have the opportunity to post that material to combat the negative media that most of us consume unknowingly, and put some positivity and growth out there through the creative medium of spoken word. That helped us to hire a studio for the day, shoot the 40 videos. Each artist has got a professional video now. We had 20 artists from up and down the country to come and perform on that day. So it's amazing what fuel funding can do.